Do you know that with just one finger, you can easily break the ice and befriend a cat? When you greet or try to touch a cat, they may sometimes walk away or even bite you. This is because, from a cat's perspective, you may be too forceful or enthusiastic. The correct way to approach a cat is to mimic the way two cats in nature would approach each other by sniffing each other's scent through their noses to confirm each other's identity. Therefore, you can first extend your finger very slowly toward the cat you are interested in, and stop when very close to it, allowing them to sniff your scent for confirmation. It is important to note that you should avoid pointing your finger upwards or downwards, as these postures may make the cat feel defensive.